In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own voice in Elevenlabs. So whether you're an aspiring content creator or simply curious about customizing voiceovers, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in and explore the steps together. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is log into Elevenlabs. If you haven't already created an account, you'll want to head over to their website and sign up. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the platform's interface and features. It will be helpful as we proceed through the process. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find various options. Click on Voices. This is where all the magic happens. The Voices section in Elevenlabs is designed to showcase voice profiles, and it's where you'll manage and create your custom voice selections. Trust me, having everything in one place makes this process seamless and straightforward. Next, you'll want to click on the Create Voice button. This is an exciting part because you're about to embark on the journey of bringing your voice to life digitally. This step is as simple as clicking a button, leading you into the settings where you can start to define and customize the voice you wish to create. After creating your voice, it's time to fine-tune it. This step is crucial because you want the digital voice to capture nuances like tone, pitch, and pace that are personalized and authentic. Spend some time adjusting these settings. Often it takes a bit of trial and error to get everything sounding just right. Don't hesitate to experiment as you fine-tune. You'll want your voice creation to reflect all the characteristics that make your voice unique. Once you feel comfortable with the adjustments, you can click Generate or Use in Speech to test your creation in text-to-speech. Here, you'll be able to type in text and listen to how your custom voice reads it aloud. It's a great way to gauge if there are any additional tweaks needed. Pay attention to how natural it sounds and make sure it aligns with your expectations. Finally, if you're satisfied with the results, you have the option to download, share, or use it in various projects. This flexibility means you can immediately start using your custom voice for whatever you need, whether it's for a podcast, video content, or any other creative pursuit you've got in mind. So there you have it, a guided walkthrough to creating your own voice in Elevenlabs. Thanks for watching and happy voice crafting.